Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Gbyte channel. If you are looking for a simple, reliable way to resolve common iPhone or iPad issues, Gbyte is definitely worth checking out. It is designed to help users quickly fix problems that would otherwise require complex button combinations or tedious iTunes troubleshooting. Gbyte features a clean, intuitive interface that allows everyday users to easily repair their devices without the hassle of hunting for technical instructions or risking data loss. One of its most practical features is one-click enter/exit recovery mode. This is particularly useful when your iPhone is unresponsive, iTunes fails to recognize the device, or you need to enter recovery mode for a system restore. With Gbyte, you can perform these actions with just a single click, eliminating the frustration caused by failed button sequences or endless reboot loops. For system issues like getting stuck on the Apple logo, black or white screens of death, spinning loading icons, or failed iOS updates, Gbyte offers a standard repair mode. This mode fixes most system errors without erasing your data, making it the go-to solution for everyday glitches. If the problem is more severe and standard repair doesn't work, Gbyte also offers a deep repair function. This is a more advanced system reconstruction method capable of resolving stubborn issues like boot loops, persistent crashes, or update failures. While deep repair may require a full system reset, it is highly effective at fixing severely compromised devices. Beyond repair capabilities, Gbyte includes a variety of other useful tools. With tools for repair, backup, reset, and data transfer, Gbyte provides a comprehensive, one-stop solution for iOS issues. Whether your device is frozen, unresponsive, or suffering from software glitches, this tool offers clear instructions and reliable results. Its backup feature allows you to save your data before performing major repairs, a crucial step for devices showing signs of instability. The built-in reset tool lets you restore your iPhone to factory settings even if you cannot access the settings menu, for instance, if the screen is frozen or the system fails to load completely. If you want a simpler, safer way to repair your iPhone or iPad, click the link below to download Gbyte. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.